I'm gonna go Christmas shopping at the thrift store. I thrift a lot of my Christmas gifts for everybody in my family. We're gonna go see if we can find anything good. I know a lot of people are tight, extra tight this year especially. So let's figure out how we can still buy meaningful, cool gifts for cheaper.